We're out in front of the Spirit Halloween in Ocala, Florida. This is midweek of the second week of October, and they're still under construction, but we're gonna run up there and show off some of the progress. And there's a guy out front. He might have some insight on when they are opening. Well, they've got banners up now, which is pretty nice, but I have a feeling that it's gathering a lot more attention because of the banners. They're still not open though. See if they're gonna possibly be open this week. How's it going?
How's it going? Yeah, we're not open yet.
Yeah,
We're working on it.
I'm just recording some progress because I've been checking in and posting it online, so people have an idea. Looks like you're pretty far ahead though from this weekend.
Yeah, we're planning to open Saturday. So
Oh, right on. Wow.
That's the goal. We got it.
That's cool.
You want a job?
I got a job.
You need another one.
If my first job wasn't so stressful, maybe.
Fair.
What are you guys paying? So there you go. They plan to be open on Saturday of the second weekend in October. So that will be 5 days from now, the 8th. But they are putting up a bunch of stuff in here. They've got all of the displays out. And if anybody's interested in applying out at the Ocala location, workforspirit.com, $11 an hour, part-time, more than likely. It does go way back there. But yeah, they've got all of the pegboard up and everything. So Sally Atkinson right there, if you're interested. That's the phone number. Yeah, I'm excited for it. 40% off on Saturday if you're an employee, so pretty good. They're definitely going to want to sell out of their inventory here pretty rapidly, being that they're opening on the second Saturday in October. So there you go. Spirit Halloween, Ocala, Florida. It will be open hopefully this Saturday, if not Sunday.